Hello everyone, my name is Levi. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit on Canva. This video is designed for those looking to explore a whole new way to design, just like you who are watching at this very moment. But first, let me introduce to you what Canva really is and what does it do. Canva is a graphic design platform used to create social media graphics, presentations, posters, documents, and other visual content. The app includes templates for users to use. The platform is free to use and offers paid subscriptions like Canva Pro and Canva for Enterprise for additional functionality. Let us now begin. First, you have to search Canva in the URL. Just type www.canva.com or simply put canva.com. Once it's loaded, it will look like this, and then you have to create your account. But obviously, I have an account already, so I don't need to do that. So just sign up. It's super easy. And then let's start designing. Alright, so this is the Canva homepage looks like, and there are quite a few different areas to help you navigate, and I'm going to explain it so that you know where to go for certain functionalities. Let us start with the upper right panel. You've got your account, so this is where you can change your account settings and set up your profile photo as well. Refer your friends and things of that nature. Then there is a create design button, the settings, and the account settings as well. There's the help center, and one of the most important parts is the search bar. Once you've signed up for a free Canva account, there are differences between the basic kind of free Canva and Canva Pro, but at this point, I'm gonna use the Pro Canva because my free Canva account has a problem right now and I can't seem to log in. But the feature of Canva Pro and free Canva are just the same, sort of. So the first thing we want to start off with is the top right corner, and in here you can see the search bar, and I have to say it's one of the quickest ways to find any templates and different designs with specific dimensions that you need to look for. So for example, if I want to weekly create an infographics for my course requirement, I'll just type infographics and it already gives me a few different options. So this is how you can just quickly kind of browse through what they offer, and it's a great way to find it without scrolling forever. Okay, so in the top left, you've got the main navigation panel, and you've got the returning to the home page, of course, and you've got templates, and they're obviously categorized into different types and templates for you to browse, and whenever you need something, you can just glance through it and see what they offer already in Canva. You've got the feature section as well with photos, icons print, because Canva now offers printing as well. There are different apps that you can have connected to Canva. There's also the explore section with different graphs, charts, videos, themes. There's also the learn section, which is super important, especially when you're a beginner. And then you've got this pricing section, and obviously the free version will be most useful to the majority of people when they use Canva because it's really great. It's packed with different functionalities. Next, we go to the left bar. And first off, we've got recommended for you, which is the home page. With the recommendations, they go through it in a moment, then you can see all your designs at a glance. So this is what this tab do when they're shared with you. So if you've got shared designs within a team or from other people that you've invited to work with, this is where the design that they've shared you would show up. And then you've got the brand kit. The brand kit is a functionality only available for the Pro users So don't worry if this feature is not present in your free account, it's fine, but this is really an amazing functionality. Then you've got your folders, which is quite a neat way for Canva to again keep you organized. You'll find the new designs at the beginning, but after some time you'll have multiple designs pertaining to different parts of your business or dealing with different requirements or social media platforms. And if you just refer to the old designs tab, you'll find that you'll be scrolling and scrolling all the time. And then you've got your trash folder, so you'll have all the things that you're trash and you can just delete from here. I've created a theme here where I can add members and create new folders within that theme and soon see the specific things for your theme and in here. So again, your designs, folders, apps, people, groups, setting. So this is where you can set up your theme. You know who can actually join. You can add your people in here. Canva at the moment has pay one get for free, so you can invite 4 people to team up with you on Canva Pro for free, but obviously it's just Canva Pro. Alright, so let's start designing. And there are actually 3 ways in which you can create a design. And there are actually 3 ways in which you can create a design. Right off the bat, you can see the big purple button in the top right corner, which is create a design. And that's probably the quickest way. And this gets you to really blank kind of page. You can just start designing whatever you want. Then the other option is to search, as I've shown you before. So I'd say YouTube. If you want to create channel art, you can just click on that particular tab and it just displays a specific resolution for your design. And the third thing is to use the templates from here. It's very similar to the one in search because the search bar shows you the templates as well. Or if you go to your designs and copy an existing design, just click make a copy. So let's just pick a specific template. Let's say I want to design a brochure, and as you can see, Canva's got tons and tons of different templates here, so you can have a look at what matches what you want to create at this moment, and then you just start designing. Let's say I want to pick that particular one, and it's when it takes you to the editor. This is what it looks like. As you can see, you have a different left panel here, and the first element is the template, and obviously you've chosen your template if you went for it on the homepage. Canva tries to inspire you with different designs, so maybe if you want to change it, you may. The next element here is uploads. And Canva lets you upload different media like images, videos, and you could also upload audio, which is the latest kind of addition, and Canva is trying to develop the video part of the editor as well. So which audio is obviously a huge part of. You can see here there's images that I've uploaded, so you can just click on it and just copy into your design. And you can change the size of it in here. And then you got the photos tab, which is a stock photo library. It's so cool that there are also tons of photo choices in here, and then there's also a search bar. You can just drag the photo on your design. Then you've got the elements tab, and the element tab, again, it's another library for amazing elements. This is where you will go to get inspired. Some of them are free and some of them are pro, but you can add them to your design if you want, and they're actually adjustable. You can search for icons sometimes. You can search for icons sometimes. This is usually very seasonal for Canva, but there are different things in here like this one, which is a photo frame actually, and you can just drag a photo from the photo tab like this, where you can insert photo. You can also add the elements in here. So you're like, if you want it to use again in the future, you can go to your folders down here. You can click on your likes and it will display the particular element. So if you like an element so much, or you like photo and you want to use it continuously, this is how you save it. Next up is the text panel, which is quite self-explanatory. This is where you add text to your page. So you've got a heading, subheading, a bit of body text. You can also use different fonts that you like. Then you've got music. So when you're creating a video, you can actually have different kinds of music, different pieces that Canva offers. So you can search by different types of genres for or few. Then you go to videos as well. You've got different videos as well, which are either free again or pro, but they are quite cool. Then you've got backgrounds as well. So let's go back to, or let's create another one. Then there's likes, where you can see your saved elements and photos to use continuously in the future. And then there's downloads, folders, and more. Then we go to the editor itself. So when we have a look at this, you've got your page number in here, and you can actually title your pages, especially if you're designing something a bit more bulky. You can just name all your pages just to know what they're referring to. You also can add notes. It's really cool when you're sharing the design with other people. This is where you can move up or down your multiple pages. Then you can duplicate pages. So if you want to create something very familiar, or you want to use the same design, you can just do it in here and it just duplicates it. Then you have delete pages here, and at the very end you can add pages here, a blank one, but have the same color background as the first page. If you've got multiple elements, I'll show you more options, so you can send forwards or backwards one by one. And then you may adjust the capacity as well, like this. And you can also copy style just like this. Another neat thing is that you can adjust the transparency, so you can make your elements more kind of opaque. After you're done with your graphics, you can just download it in here. So you just click here, you select the page that you want to download, and that's it. Again, Canva Free will be great for most users. They won't need the Pro version because it has 250,000 free templates, 100 plus design types for social media posts, much more, hundreds of thousands of free photos and graphics. So this is where, and for Canva graphics. So you don't actually need a Canva Pro account because there are a lot of free templates you can use. You don't need to pay. It's so free. So free. So this is where we end our video. I hope you gain a lot of knowledge from it and you feel much more confident in creating your own graphics. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!